there's a ton of people here.
There is a ton of people here.
Pyro, there's a guy right on you. You guys, whole team right on you.
I managed to get it, so it's okay.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
If you get the F out of there and just go for the thing, you should be fine.
There's a fight kicking off.
Please don't be a sniper rifle.
Listen up,
Please don't be a
soldier.
sniper rifle.
Win
It's a
it
crossbow,
and
it's
you
even
return to the
worse.
front line. But if you lose, you're done.
I still got a guy on
Menace.
the roof.
People in this building here.
Yeah, he got me.
I'm out of bullets.
If your team has
What do
the
you need?
cash, they can pay for your release.
I only have the pistol I landed with.
Where's he at?
Oh, now I'm dead.
Whose grenade was it? Oh, this
Mine.
is empty. Oh no.
That's what I just shot. I didn't want to leave an empty one behind and die by it.
You gotta cover, cover his name? Cover him. What are you doing?
We're in the safe zone. Get ready for incoming.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
Oh,
Oh no.
Moving.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
I killed one of them.
Surviving
One of them down to
earns
me.
redeployment.
I killed one of them.
One right on me. Actually, there's two on me.
You guys got this. Come on. 3v3.
The other one's down inside this building.
They're in this building.
He shot me. He got me
Damn.
again. Are you serious?
That was not my teammate. Oh, why was there a marker there? Oh, that was not my
Window,
teammate.
window, window.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Wow.
Look at Menace go.
There's one more there.
No, that's team wipe.
Oh,
That's
no,
team
dude.
wipe.
I want to get past downtown and get all the way to Park.
I heard a box, but I can't find it.
You go to the train station, take the train to the train station, and then go to.
Yeah, good call.
This guy right here.
I'd be annoyed. Does it tell us where these go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need downtown first. We need downtown.
Dead.
So this side, we stay on this side. Ooh.
I'm gonna get ready to kill somebody.
Losing
Do I
ground.
want a javelin? Nah.
Thank you, sir.
Do I want a javelin? Nah.
All right, I'll stop around. Let's go. Let's get serious again. I was just trying to get
Let's
some snipe shots
let's get
off.
serious then.
You've got gas inbound.
Pyro, you
I was
have a
trying-
ton of money.
Located.
I was just
What do you want me to do
literally
with it?
playing right there.
I heard
None?
glass break. I heard glass break.
Yeah, they're probably
Cross
trying to
snipe.
come up.
I'm not sure from
Hey,
where that
hey
came
guys,
from.
just two on each side. Just watch these doors.
Yeah, I hear him.
Hey, crouch walk, crouch walk. Watch. Alright, you guys got that door. I'll
They're
go
running
over and
out.
watch this one. Nope, they're coming up right
Yeah,
here.
they're coming up. They're coming up.
Chicken,
Oh,
watch
yeah,
that door.
yeah. I got it. I got it. I'm looking right at you. Crouch walk. That shit on me, bro.
Yep, right there.
Coming up, Menace.
Got one more.
Flash.
Thing.
Still one more. Coming up.
Right here
That's
on this
me.
side.
I got nothing on heartbeat, but
Oh, these guys have
I
a
did.
gun.
Losing ground.
You may have bound.
I didn't have anything on
Alright,
heartbeat the whole
GG's,
time.
GG's.
I think he's still in here.
Oh, come on. I'm way
The
behind.
buy station I think he would go for is back here at
Truck on us, truck on us.
Supply box marked. Secure the package.
Alright, I'm down to go get that.
Enemy UAV overhead.
It's in the station.
Enemy movement.
This building with me. Wait, what?
I got him.
How do you get up here without? Okay. There's people on the other top building right now. That's
Oh,
fine.
you're good. You're good. You're
Mark
good.
out. Moving.
Oh, we get sniped at behind.
Yeah, no, that hit close actually.
Requesting recon.
Oh, yeah, they're up there.
UAV entering the AO.
Over where?
Guys, that building you
this
marked.
one.
Yep, they're on there. They're on there.
Fucking Menace with the center.
Oh, I just got sniped from don't know where.
From behind. From behind. Don't stand on that side. They're
I'm
sniping from
getting
the.
indoors.
From no
Getting
downtown.
managed.
I got sniped from downtown. That's what we're gonna do.
Oh, there it
Oh,
is.
we're good. We're good.
You done?
No, he. broke his
I'm
armor.
going.
Don't push. Don't push. Don't push. We're good. We're good. Oh, on us? That's fine.
I'm gonna go these dudes up. I can't deal with this anymore.
All right. All right. All right.
I want to say it's 2 people, but be careful.
There's-
Oh, it is 2 people. Might be 1. Oh, someone got sniped. He's going downstairs.
Gas is inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
You with me, Pyro?
I'm with you.
He's on.
We're in
One of
the
his
safe.
teammates got down.
Get ready for incoming.
He's in the stairwell. Ready?
No.
Where's my other team? Where's my other team? Oh,
Team-
sh-
My team. My team. My team. My team.
I thought we were all 4 coming up here.
No.
No, we were on the other side. I was on the other side.
Armor up and grab their money.
You know you had 3. You had the 2.
A good thing Pyro had the equally OP shotgun that this guy had.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nice
Someone
note.
next to you, Pyro.
I've wanted
Oh, I
target
just got a.
dusted. Work.
Nice, nice. I got a javelin up
Hey, we
there.
gotta get in a circle. You gotta get in a circle.
We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Gas is moving.
We have a lot of cash on us.
Yeah, I'm buying a cell for us real quick.
Same.
Same. Good, drop your cash.
Menace, can you drop me a couple bucks so I can get one, please?
Yeah, come here.
Going this way.
Good cash here.
Oh, who has it?
Gas is closing in. Relocating.
Oh, we're
That's alright,
favored.
I'm gonna box
We're
them.
favored.
Found the
Who needs
shotgun.
armor? Who needs armor? I'm dropping 2.
Disregard
here.
that.
As long as I
Um,
have just one extra.
If we lay
that'd be
low
cool.
on
Thank
this
you.
roof and don't get seen, we can whoop the to this team comes
That,
out.
let's just Rambo their.
No, 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 no. I want to win. We're gonna win this one.
I know we are. We just
Keep
gotta
on
worry
our
about
right.
reds.
Going there.
We just have to worry about the reds.
Downed him. Now
Aw,
shoot
how
your
did-
rocket over there, Johnny.
I don't have any rockets.
Ah, hit that.
Oh, someone's in here?
No, 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 you're good. No, no, no. Just making
Gas
sure I
is
had it.
inbound.
Going downstairs. Cheers.
Left
And
side.
you're the only one up there.
Left
I
side.
broke
Coming
armor
down.
on him again.
Moving out.
2 people. 3 people.
Down him.
Requesting recon.
UAV entering the AO.
And let's get off the roof.
No, no, no. We need someone holding the right side. We're getting ambushed from the north.
I gotta hold the roof. They come
Gas
up
is
here.
closing in.
Yeah.
Relocating the safe zone.
There's a ladder back here.
We're getting ambushed from the north. Just so you know.
It's fine. We got this.
No, I
Give
don't
me-
know.
I need some
I know
ammo.
we got this.
Did anyone pick up the
UAV is
package in the
active.
bottom?
You need AR?
TB for
Yeah,
resupply.
yeah.
Grenade out.
Who called that out?
I was mistaken.
10 remain. You're nearly done.
Oh,
Ah, I'm dead. Oh no, I'm not. I downed one of the guys. He's out in the whatchamacallit.
Gas is inbound.
One's
Got
back
guys
below us.
coming
One's
on
back below
us
us.
from the- Yep.
Right around the back of this barn.
They're on us.
There's 2 people over here.
Moving here.
Watch,
Something over
watch
here.
this side over here, Chicken.
Right in front.
Yeah,
Right in front of the
I
building.
can't see them. They're along the building. I can't see them.
No, just watch that side though.
I got it.
Where is he?
In this building.
Moving here.
Is he down?
Gas
Yep.
is inbound.
Okay, we gotta move. We gotta move.
There's only
Relax.
2 other people left.
Oh, God.
One other person. He's
Over
in
here.
that building. Yeah, he's in the building.
I'm going.
I'm going around.
Relax. Got this.
He's
Oh
trying to
come
snipe
on, buddy.
an
That
idiot.
was your. That was your. Here. Wanna play snipe? I'll play snipe.
I just you up. He's down.
Gas
Daddy
is
wins,
inbound.
10
Marking
kills.
new safe zone. Gas is closing in.
No way!
Oh, I got that kill.
You could have just let him die.
Dude, as soon as I saw him, dude, watch the replay. Watch the replay. That's the first time he poked up is when he revived. Do not do that, please.
You can't let me get my 10th kill.
Don't do
Not
that
only
to
do
me.
I
That's the
save
first
all
time he
your
up. Oh, man.
you steal my kill.